It's time to unbox a 3DS XL Blue. Well, first you look for the stickers. They're on this side. Yeah, cut them open. And you flick this thing open. Don't need the scissors anymore. You pull it open. What do you got? Got a really thick book. Let's see, it's Club Nintendo stuff, a guide, another guide, quick start guide. I guess that the other ones were just quick start guides in other languages, and AR cards. I have no idea what these are. AR cards. I'm guessing that's augmented reality. And you have a really, really ridiculously thick manual. And then you have a game system somewhere in here. Well, power adapter, North American style. And cardboard. And you've got a 3DS and some styrofoam there. That's a 3DS Blue. That's what it looks like. It's blue. It's nice and blue. Nice color of blue. Mixed with some black. Yeah, I'm not going to review the console. I'm just showing you how it looks out of the box.